Hello friends, this video is for explaining the general use of ColorLab software. We will run ColorLab software and here we have the main interface of the program. In this interface we have here the target color. Target color is the color that I want to get in my device. I can type it manually. For example, if I want to get a 75, 24, 15, I can type this number. And here I will get the final value that I will send to print using this rendering intent here that I can change. I can go through different rendering intents with black point, without black point, perceptual. And here I have the initial value and the delta A that I will get. If I go in absolute colorimetric, probably I will get the lowest value. And this is in the left column, we have the initial colors, and in the right column, we have the optimized colors. Optimized colors, if I click on free, I can change these numbers and I can say, okay, what will happen if I send to print 115, 0, 0, 0? Then you will be printing 50% of cyan, and 50% of cyan is this LAV color. This color here is the optimized color, so the color that you can get manually by typing or by clicking this auto button here of optimize. And this is the initial color, so the color that you got through standard ICC profiling with this rendering intent that was quite fine. Okay, this button here is reset. We'll leave everything okay. Here you can select if you want to go for 1 ink, for 2 inks, or for 3 inks for the optimize button. For example, let's try to get one Pantone color, one solid coated, for example, one cool gray. Cool gray 6. This is the LAV of cool gray 6. And let's select one standard profile. For example, CGATS 21 condition 6 version 2. Okay. Through standard ICC profiling in absolute colorimetric, I will get this number here. And this number is 3.05 delta A in delta A 2000. Here you can specify the delta A algorithm from the original LAV, even being in a gamut. If I click this button here of optimize, then ColorLab software will try to change these numbers and will try to get a different print value that will be more close to this LAV. So we'll try to minimize the delta A. We are going to try to reduce this 3.05 delta A, and we will take a look at which value we are going to get. In this case, after the optimization, we will get let's wait a little bit until it will finish. Okay, taking more than expected. This is the reality of recording videos. Okay, 0.26 delta A with this value. That's great, but I'm spending 6 more of ink because this value 34, 26, 28 0 is bigger than the initial value. The initial value was 32, 20, 23, 6. I'm going to make one screen capture of this window here. So we will have this for comparison purposes, because we can create here we have the screen. Okay, this is my screen capture. We were 0.26 delta A. Okay, with a default action. But what I would like to teach you is, let's reset this, is in how to do it in a manual way. In a manual way, you can choose the inks that you want to use in this combination here. So this is mainly a gray, so I will go for black. And I will click in optimize just using black ink. And just using black ink, only with 38 of black, and below 3. So, and I'm saving 43. So this will be even a better number. But in my previous time, I was starting from the default value from the ICC profile. And this value was mainly built using cyan, magenta, and yellow, and a little bit of black. So by default, when I choose 3 inks, the software was taking the 3 primary inks. If I'm a little bit more intelligent, I can select, okay, let's only use black, and then I'm optimizing this value. And if I'm a little bit more intelligent, I can look at the LAB that I'm getting is 69.1 minus 3, and the LAB that I want to get, and it's 69 almost 0 minus 1. So I see that there is a difference in B. So if I add into the game a little bit of yellow and I optimize with a little bit of yellow, maybe adding a little bit of yellow, yeah, adding 3 of yellow, now I'm again in 0.26 like before, but with this value here 0.0338, that it's producing 41 almost less of ink instead of spending 6 more of ink. So this is the intelligent way of working, using the optimize button, but choosing manually in which inks do you want to build or to stay the process.